Away they go. My Chic Gondor from the outside. Jenny Cole, amazing pace. Teritun running in P by some 2 lengths, and King Aljun is running at the tail of the field by about 9 or 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Gondor, amazing pace, is running in second from the outside. Jenny Cole is racing third by some 3 lengths. My Chic Teritun, and a long way back to King Aljun. Inside the last 600, Gondor by a length and a half, amazing pace in second. Jenny Cole is racing third by some 2 lengths. My Chic is running Danori inside Teritun, and a long way back to King Aljun as they race the last 450. Gondor still the leader. Amazing pace. My Chic is running down on the inside, and Jenny Cole on the further outside, but still Gondor, Jenny Cole, My Chic Badral, amazing pace in the middle. Gondor and My Chic down on the inside, Jenny Cole, but still Gondor, still the leader. And finally Gondor, My Chic, Jenny Cole, amazing pace, Teritun and King Aljun comes last.
An exciting race.